Now, let me show you how you can put the Notes widget on your Mac desktop. So at first, you need to go to the Settings app like this and go to the Desktop and a Dock. And in here, in the widgets, make sure that showing widgets on a desktop is enabled. Because if not, then you can literally not even have widgets on the desktop. So make sure it is turned on like this, and then you come back to the home screen, right click on the area of your widgets and click on edit widgets like this. This is going to make the panel appear and slide up from the bottom, and you need to scroll through the apps and find the one you want to add. So in our case, it's going to be the notes. Obviously, if you have other note-taking apps available, you can add those, but we can add the notes from Apple. And if you have the iPhone connected with your Mac, you can also choose the Notes widgets from iPhone, but you can also choose those which are on the Mac. And you have like 3 different sizes and different types of the Notes widget. So you can click on plus and it will be added to the desktop, right? So you can now quickly access it like that, and it will open up the notes like this, no problem. And you can also customize it and choose like a different folder to be shown on the widget. So that's how you can control it. At the end of the day, that's how it works. You can right click on it, remove it if you don't like it anymore, but that's it. Let me know if it worked and I'll see you later.